Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be doing a quick installation of DashCam on this 2016 Chevrolet Silverado. So let's get straight to work. I like to say this installation is going to be super simple because we're planning on running the cable from the top over here all the way down through the side over here and inside here and all the way over there to the electrical connector there.
Alright guys, let's take a look at what comes inside the box. First of all, we see the camera unit. Let's peel off that lens cover, as you can tell right there. Now this doesn't come in the box, but I bought it separately. It's a polarized lens filter, which is gonna be a clip onto your camera, and it's a great addition because when the sun is hitting it, it's not gonna be able to record correctly, and this is gonna take that glare away so you can actually keep recording at a high resolution. So inside the box we have a couple more cables and this clip remover and a couple more things for the cable if you want to use that to hold it. So let's unpack this cable real quick and get to work. Alright guys, so we're gonna take that plastic tool and we're gonna start prying on the side here. We're gonna go ahead and remove the side so we can run the cable through it, and also we're gonna take the seal away just a little bit. It doesn't have to be the whole thing. Now we take the cable and we're gonna take the shorter tip, as you can see right here. We're gonna go right underneath and we're gonna fish it through this hole right here that I'm gonna show you right there. So let's just stick the hand under it and kind of feel where you're going and get the cable through, just like I did here. Alright, let's go ahead and take the cable and start running it behind the pillar. But to get the right amount of cable all the way behind the rear view mirror, we're gonna go ahead and take the camera and plug the cable into it so we can measure exactly how much cable we're going to be needing. So place the camera in your desired spot that you want it to go to and then start measuring it with your hand. And as you saw, I was having trouble putting the cable behind the headliner, but with this plastic tool they send in the box, you can use it to pry a little bit in the headliner, just like I'm doing here, so you can put the cable right in the desired spot and then start doing it to run the cable all the way to the pillar. Now that we ran the cable all the way over to the pillar, we're going to go ahead and unclip it from the top so we can run the cable nice and neatly behind it. One thing we need to watch out for, guys, is when you're putting the cable through the pillar, make sure you put it behind the clip so it doesn't get in the way and the clip can go back into its place. Just give it a couple of taps to secure it, and now we can run the cable through its side and all the way down. So pull it down so it's straight and secure, and now we can put the side of the car back into its place as well as the rubber seal. Now we can take the cable and keep running it to the electrical outlet. To do so, we're gonna go ahead right under the steering wheel. We're going to remove this plastic cover, which is on clips as well. We're gonna reach in there, grab the cable and run it through the side inside this compartment right here. We're gonna use a T15 to take off the one screw that it has. Once it's off, we can pull down the whole thing, including the electrical outlet. Use your plastic tool to remove it. Alright guys, now that we have this compartment loose, it's time to go ahead and reach inside and grab the cable from the left side. Pull it all the way through and secure the middle section since we're already finished with it. Put it back into its clips. Now let's take the cable and run it behind the electrical wires of the car, and we're gonna go ahead and roll it out, all the excess cable, secure it with a zip tie or whatever you have, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on the back, leaving just a little piece of the cable through the side like I'm doing right here, so we can connect it to the splitter that comes in the box as well. Now we can put the screw back into it and secure it as well. Guys, it's time to secure the camera, so take some glass cleaner and clean the area where we're going to be putting the camera at.
Alright guys, so we finished installing the camera on the car. It looks pretty good and everything is working right now. Only thing you're gonna need is a memory card. As you can see right here, this one has the, let me get a close shot. You see that number 3? That's the speed of the car. That's the one you're going to be needing for the camera to be working perfectly. So if you want to get one of those, I'm gonna leave the links down below so you can get them online. So right now, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done already, and I'll see you on the next time.